When it comes to architectural design in Gandhinagar, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as one of the leading firms in the industry. With a team of experienced and talented architectural designers, they have been providing top-notch design solutions to clients for many years. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd takes pride in their ability to blend creativity, functionality, and sustainability in their designs. Their architectural designers are highly skilled professionals who have a deep understanding of the principles of design and construction. They are well-versed in the latest trends and technologies in the field, allowing them to create innovative and forward-thinking designs. One of the key strengths of SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is their ability to cater to a wide range of project types. Whether it's residential, commercial, or institutional buildings, their architectural designers have the expertise to handle any project with ease. They work closely with clients to understand their unique requirements and then translate them into practical and aesthetically pleasing designs. The architectural designers at SCON Design India Pvt Ltd also prioritize sustainability in their work. They understand the importance of eco-friendly design and strive to incorporate sustainable practices into their projects. From energy-efficient building systems to the use of renewable materials, they aim to create designs that are not only visually appealing but also environmentally responsible. In addition to their technical expertise, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd also excels in project management. Their architectural designers are adept at coordinating with various stakeholders involved in a project, ensuring smooth communication and timely execution. They pay attention to every detail, from initial concept development to final construction, to deliver projects that exceed client expectations. Overall, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is synonymous with excellence when it comes to architectural design in Gandhinagar. With their team of skilled designers, commitment to sustainability, and focus on client satisfaction, they continue to be a trusted choice for all architectural design needs in the region. Get top-notch design solutions from experienced and talented architectural designers in Gandhinagar. We blend creativity, functionality, and sustainability in our designs.